I've been in business now for, I think, 25 years, and I must have bought my first Timberwolf at least 20 years ago. I've had all the different, I've had 6-inch, we've had the 8-inch track chipper. We've got 6 Timberwolves now as well, yeah. It's on my autograph. My name's Ben Gristwood. I own BGG Garden and Tree Care. We're on a site near Enstone, near Chipping and Norton, just, clearing some trees for a project we've been going on for the last 3 days. I've always got other people phoning me up for, say that they can come straight to you and fix stuff, but I think it's just all talk. I think Lister Welders, they've proven that they've always supported me from day one. So the main reason is I trust Lister Welder fully. Like I say, keep saying Lister Welders and Timberwolf, they've supported me through everything. Breakdowns, repairs, taking parts off. I've never been without a machine not to use, and I'd always buy for a dealer, not, I've had other people like say that they can come out and do stuff, but I don't trust that. Just buying a good brand, which is a well-known brand, it's been around for, like, say, 40 years. The backup's proven. I've never been out of one, so you're a proven company. The backup's brilliant. Why change when you've already got a great service from it anyway? So 40 years proven, and you're going forward and stronger as you go.